Hey everybody, it's Rich from Billetspin. Welcome to our next video. These 4 items are going to be dropping tomorrow, February 10th, noon central, www.billetspin.com. Let's get right into it because this is pretty exciting. This here is a blank tungsten coin. Now we've been selling the stainless steel coins, but because of high demand, people want highly requested this blank tungsten coin. You can send it out to a laser engraver and have whatever pattern you want put on there. And this one's going to be $25. Okay? That's that. Let's get right into this thing. Now, I know this looks like it's 2 bodies that are sandwiched together. That is not the case. This is one piece, but there is a counterbore on each side with one singular ball in the middle. So this ball here is the same as this. And they both stick out just like the normal bodies. And yeah, so it's a double-sided Gambit body. Really, really cool. So that's about 50 grams without the coins in there. Made of stainless steel. That's going to be $125. And now let's talk about these coins. So this is the radioactive. Let me bring up a picture real quick so you can see what this looks like. The lighting in here is too bright, but as you can see, it glows. It's really, really cool. And this is the radioactive symbol. And yeah, it looks really, really neat. Okay, let me show you about this thing because it's hard to see from pictures. But as you can see, there's a lot of, let me take it out of the body. Now when you take this one out of the body, what you want to do is actually put your thumb on the stainless steel. This is stainless steel and glow. So it's actually 3 different pieces. Let's get it out of here. But you see how I push on that portion. You don't want to try to push where the glow is. You can still get it out, but it's just easier to push right on here to get it out. And so this is 3 pieces. So you have the body of the coin itself, then you have this stainless steel piece, and then you have a little thin glow sliver underneath here. That's a ring that goes underneath that. So it's 3 different pieces. Now, this is what I want you to see. It's very 3-dimensional. So hopefully the camera will show this. You can see how much it sticks up above there. Try to get a really good angle. There you go. So you can see it's angled from this surface up to here. This drops down and you can actually see it in the chamfer. I'll get it right in the light here. You can see how the chamfer gets bigger there, and that's because it's on an angle. The lighting is not allowing me to really show you this, but anyway, so this middle portion protrudes up. There you can see it. Protrudes up from the face there. So it's 3 pieces. This is going to be $60. Stainless, and glow. Okay? And then we have the 1-piece Biohazard, and this has been in the mix for a long, long time. And what I want you to notice is the circular milling patterns inside of each of the 3 circular portions there, and then you can see the big circle pattern that goes throughout the rest. So it's just those little details, texturizing details, that really make this thing just look super cool. And this is different than any other 1-piece that we've done because the texture actually sticks up above the rest. There you can see the gap underneath there. And there's no border that goes around the edge here. So let me grab like last week's here. And the difference with this one compared to the triangle is you have this border that's there, where now this portion here is the thickness of the coin, and this actually sticks up above. And that makes it really, really, you put your finger inside one of those circles, that makes it really, really, really conducive to spin it around. Obviously, this is kind of like the spoke pattern, so this one has got a lot of grip for you to spin it around as well. So there you have it. We have the kind of the stemless milling pattern here. It's a little bit different than that, but it's close. And then we broke it up with putting some dimples in between. It's just a big, massive, beefy, really, really nice weight. I just think you guys are really going to enjoy carrying this. So really, really cool. So those are your 3 items right there. I'm sorry, your 4 items. The body, the 2 coins, and the tungsten, the blank tungsten coin. So again, these are going to be dropping on February 10th, noon central, www.billetspin.com. That's all I got for today. Thanks. If you got any questions, hit them up in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Have a great rest of your week.